All right, Tool Fam. So here are a few deals I might have missed. That 9-inch cutoff saw with the 212s is back. Not the $5.99 that we got last summer, but $6.99 is not bad. This is over at Tool Nut. However, Acme, Tyler Tool, CPO, they all have the same price. Home Depot as well. I'll leave a Home Depot link in the description down below. We've also got the same saw, factory refurbished, over at CPO. No 12s here though. For $3.79, that's pretty darn cheap. And here are the hacks that you're here for. So that nifty little cutoff tool is great for small items such as small pieces of rebar, thin sheet metal, small car work. I actually use this for cutting cement fiberboard, like siding. Anyway, it is hackable this time, just like over the holidays. So as always, you're going to go in your free gift with purchase. You can do the hacks this way. I find it easier. But if it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, just add the items to the cart separately. In this case, you're going to want to select the ratchet. As with all M12 hacks, that's usually the most expensive item. Add them to the cart, and you're getting the cutoff tool with the 4.0 for $113. That's pretty good. I believe that's the cheapest price I've ever seen that at. Let's go ahead and run in the cart and take this out for our next hack, which is our HaXx. And shout out to Ted for reminding me about this. I actually missed this on the last hack video. So, as always, go to free gift with purchase, select the ratchet. I mean, you could always choose any one of these, but I don't know why you would. Add it to the cart, split it up however you want, and you're going to get, let's get this out of here, that hacksaw for $97. I believe this is a tad bit lower than what we had it on over the holidays. I think that was $104. Regardless, good price, decent hacksaw, good for plumbing purposes, that sort of deal. Comes with a 4.0, a charger and a bag. Great price. This link will be in the description down below, as well as the rest of the links. That's it for now, fam. Get some sleep. Have at it. Good luck.